it's a cat. Its baby is called a kitten. Woof woof, it's a dog. And guess what? Its baby is called a puppy. Moo, it's a cow. Its baby is called a calf. It's a sheep. Its little one is called a lamb. Neigh, it's a horse. Its baby is called a foal. Cluck cluck, it's a chicken, and its baby is called a chick. Trumpet, it's an elephant. Its big baby is called a calf too, just like a cow. Ribbit, ribbit, it's a frog. Its baby is called a tadpole. They don't have legs yet, just a tail.